my mind when it gets late. I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me too tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings, are you thinking about me too tonight? Your hands around my waist, just let the music play. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than summer wine, baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I am hooked on you. And that makes me say, oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Goddamn, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh man, you make it feel like paradise. Paradise, I'm taking.
Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamarika, but you can call me Tam. Today's video is a complete disaster clean with me. I'll be taking you guys along as I organize the fridge, pantry, and also clean the kitchen, living, and dining room. The boys and I took a month-long vacation, and when we arrived back on Saturday, I took a rest, but on Sunday, it was time for a Sunday reset. So do not forget that you can turn this video on any of your devices and clean with me, or you can watch now and get the motivation for later. Either way, let's get to cleaning. First, I'm going to start off organizing the pantry. Everything was on the counter because I knew that we were going to be gone for a long time, and I wanted to make sure that I checked the expiration dates on all of the food to make sure that it was still fresh. I have a video on my channel of me officially organizing my pantry. I will link that down below for you guys to check out. But in that video, someone let me know that essential was spelled wrong on my labels. I purchased my labels from Etsy, so I have reached out to the owner to let her know, but I will be removing all of those and redoing my labels.
You make all my problems feel miles away.
If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would like to welcome you and also introduce myself. My name is Tamarika. I am a graphic and web developer, boy mom, and also a military wife. And on my channel, you will find cleaning motivation, organization, and home decor inspiration. If this is something that you would enjoy, I would love for you to subscribe to become a part of my YouTube family. Once you have done that, you can introduce yourself down below and also drop me some black heart emojis. A Sunday reset to me means laundry, reorganizing the fridge, pantry, groceries, and also, since the boys are back in school, getting them ready for the next week. What about you? On Sunday, what is your reset? What do you clean? What is your routine? Let me know down below in the comment section.
Quite hard, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You feel my fire. Took a bite, and now I need more. I don't know how to make this right. 'Cause you're right, yeah, you're right. We are going too fast, but now I don't know how to stop. But I've been feeling like you're pretty easy to like when your body is closer to mine. You got me feeling like there's no one other than you who can make me lose my mind. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together. I found it quite hard, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire, fire, fire. 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 You fuel my fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Let's keep this fire alive. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire. What are the odds we end up loving it? Spending every minute together. I found it quite hard, quite lovely. You start me up like no one has ever could. You fuel my fire, fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Fire. Let's keep this fire alive. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow. I've just been caring for mine.
I wanted to come and give you guys a life update on where I've been. The boys and I took a month-long vacation, which really it mainly was a vacation for them because I was still working. And I haven't been able to upload videos because of me working. And also, if you are new here, my husband is away. So it's just me and the boys, and it is a lot with 3 boys, a job, and also trying to maintain everything else. Now that the boys are back in school, I feel like I would have a little more time to record, maybe on my lunch break. or on the weekends so I can go back to my regular schedule of one video a week.
It's crazy. Oh no, but I'll be damned if I'm not a fool. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they go slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is the night. In the name of love, in the name of love. In the name of love, in the name of love. I'm gonna call you up. In the name of love, I'm gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up yet on you. You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly? No, no, no. Cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. But I'm not done with you. But I'm not done with you. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. I'm gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up yet on you. In the name of love, in the name of love. In the name of love, in the name of love. I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin.
My Sunday reset turned into a Sunday Monday reset because I did so much on Sunday and I needed to take a break to get the boys ready for school. I split this complete disaster clean with me into 2 days. On the first day, I will be focusing on organizing the fridge, pantry, and cleaning my kitchen. On day 2, it will be the dining room, organizing the bottom part of my fridge, and also cleaning my living room.
Won't you? I know it's hard for you to give it a try, but you are not alone. I'm here with you. I think you owe it to this beautiful night to lose all your control. Do it for you. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby,
My fridge is also a complete disaster, which is unlike me. But like I said, we went away for a whole month and I actually grocery shopped before we went on vacation. I had no idea that we were going to take a vacation. It was just a spur of the moment thing, being tired and exhausted of just being here all by myself. So I just went away. And now looking back at my fridge, it was a complete disaster. And I don't think that I would ever let it get like this ever again, being the organized person that I am. If you do enjoy kitchen organization videos, I have a playlist on my channel for you guys to check out. I wanted to give you guys a close-up shot of the fridge to show you how gross it was. You really couldn't see it at the angle that I was recording, but it was nasty.
Fly with the stars, I'm free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Fly with the stars, I'm free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. I'm glad to be alive. Cause I don't wanna waste my time, no. I'm young and dumb and hopeless, right? But I'm bound to turn out alright, yeah. The city's really not my vibe now, so I'm moving out my parents' house now, to go and live another life where my dreams don't lay down and die. I'll hang out with the folks on screen. I'll be chilling in a pot of gold. You should bet your money on me, cause I'm never ever coming home. I'll fly with the stars, I'm free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Fly with the stars, I'm free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, boom, boom.
If you have made it this far in a video, it lets me know that you are enjoying it. So why not subscribe and also hit that like button if you have not already. Also, drop me some bear emojis down below in the comment section.
Slip back from my health. Holy shit, I just stumbled. Still I'm feeling myself.
Fly with the stars, I'm free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Fly with the stars, I'm free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. pulling me closer, but don't waste your time. Don't have any time for all your empty lies. I used to think that you were only mine, but I was blinded by a shallow light. I'll call your friends, I'll let them know that I'm so done with the tragic boys. Tonight I'll get into my zone. I'll dance until the tears are gone. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these tears away. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these fears away. Don't need you. Don't need you. Leaving you just made me realize all the things I used to sacrifice just to please you, just to call you mine. But look at me now, I have the time of my life. I'll call your friends, I'll let them know that I'm so done with the tragic.
Now on to day 2 of this complete disaster clean with me. Before you come for me, no, I have not gotten the deep freezer yet. And yes, I know there is a lot of stuff in my freezer, but just wait until you see the satisfying results of everything all organized. I feel like I am the queen of Tetris, and this freezer will look totally different towards the end.
No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these tears away. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these fears away. Don't need you. Bad love, bad love, bad love. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I know you don't mean to, but you're blocking my view. I know you got issues, but I got my shit too. I don't wanna be your therapy no more, no more. You don't wanna hear this, but it's you, it's not me. Ooh, gotta go and grab a spoon now. Ooh, make a life for myself. Ooh, I don't know what I'ma do now. Ooh, but I don't need your help. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. Don't make me stay, do stay. I'm done being stuck. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. The last thing I will ever do for you is wish you the best of luck. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Catch you on the flip side. Maybe we can be friends when you're not so fragile. When you know yourself well, somewhere down the sweet line.
I would like to come and thank all of my subscribers who have emailed me, talked to me on Instagram, and to check in on me and the boys, because I have been away for a very long time and I am sorry about that, but life has been lifing and I am trying to stay on top of a lot of stuff. Just bear with me. I am going to try to get back to my regular schedule, but I am not promising anything. YouTube is very tricky, you guys, and when YouTubers take a break, YouTube really don't care. They're like, okay, you're taking a break. We're not going to push any of your videos. So when I come back, it's like I'm starting over. And it's pretty much like that for all subscribers. I mean, for all YouTubers, I feel like, who life is lifing and they want to take a break, but then in the back of their head, they're like, okay, do I want to? Because then I'm going to have to just rebuild this all over again. You guys have no idea how much your support means to us when you show up and show out. So I want to thank all of my day ones and all of my newcomers for all of the support and love that you show my channel and also my family.
Don't call, don't follow, 'cause I'll be gone. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. Don't make me stay, I'm done being stuck. Get out of my way, my way. I'm moving on up. The last thing I will ever do for you is wish you the best of luck. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. La la la, get out of my way. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la, get out of my way. Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, 'cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, 'cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, 'cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, 'cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time.
Ready to talk, baby, and be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me, or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you, just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride. Is there a chance that we could make another try? I think we're meant to be, didn't wanna say goodbye. If there's a chance, just tell me how. 'Cause Time is precious, time is now. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to roll, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. No, I was dumb, baby, just way too young, baby. I was too blind to see what you meant to me. The things you can't forgive, didn't know how to live, cause I didn't love myself. Wish I could turn back time, go back and do things right. Give you a wedding ring, give you my everything, and be there by your side. Share a life and have a child. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to roll.
Now that the fridge and the pantry is all organized and the kitchen is clean, it is time to clean the living and dining room. They weren't as much as a complete disaster as the kitchen, but they weren't to my standards. I wanted to give you guys an update on my living room makeover / transformation. This will probably be the last time you see me clean this room because all of the furniture and decor is starting to arrive. I don't know if you can see the rug behind the couch. Don't know if I will be decorating for fall because I feel like I decorate for fall year round. My colors are always neutral and it's always warm and cozy. So I feel like I would just do a living room makeover / transformation instead of a fall clean and decorate with me.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you.
Now, the final room that I will be cleaning in this complete disaster, clean with me, and I'm pretty much just tidying up, and I will also be shaving the couch. Our last couch I didn't need to shave because it was kind of a velvet / suede material, but this couch is linen and it attracts lint and it becomes cotton balls, and that is driving me crazy. So if you are in need of a shaver, I will link it down below for you guys to purchase it. It did an amazing job.
Everything feels so abstract. Yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act, well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just make up your mind? My heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there is a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. No, baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. How it hurts to see you smile, like a dagger in me. She just seems so juvenile. I just want it to be me. I wanna set your world on fire. Oh, you're so sure I'll stick around. Oh, my heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there is a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. Oh, even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be. No, baby, I don't wanna be. No, baby, I don't.
And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this complete disaster clean with me / Sunday reset. And it gave you all the motivation that you need and also some organization inspiration for your kitchen. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell so you don't miss any of my latest uploads. And I hope you guys have a great day.
Yeah. Love, you move too fast for me. Can catch up with the thoughts in your mind. They're everywhere, and it's hard for me to bear. 'Cause I get so lost, feel just like a boomerang. 'Cause you change your plans every day, and you don't seem to care.